Hey everyone, I'm Seth. I'm one of the two creators of DangerCamera. We call it that because the other guy who made this is actually named Danger. We are two of the developers behind No Pineapple Left Behind, which you can find on the Steam store. And we actually used this script in that game. We liked the script so much that we decided to put it on the asset store so you can use it too. DangerCamera is sort of an RTS camera. It lets you pan, rotate, and zoom. Unlike most Unity cameras, it is extremely easy to modify within the scene or to extend it within the code. You don't actually need any programming knowledge at all, though, to set it up. I'm going to give you a real simple setup right now. First, in Unity, we are going to go to Scene View and create a cube. Doesn't have to be a cube, we just need a shape, and we need something that's relatively big. We set the coordinates to 0, and we set this. We just need something in the background for the camera to sort of lock on to. And then back in scene mode, click the main camera, click add component, and type in danger camera, and then select it. And that's all you got to do. When I press play, the camera is going to start by zooming out. I can pan with the mouse. I can rotate by right clicking. This is a pretty cool feature because if you can't see it right away, the rotation actually clamps at the top and bottom, so it can't go up and around this wall. It stops here and stops here. I can also pan with WASD, and I can zoom with the scroll wheel. And that's about it. Everything in DangerCamera can be toggled on or off or adjusted as you need to. For example, I can turn off allow mouse pan here, and then when I play this thing again, no mouse pan, doesn't work. Very simple. I can adjust any number of these things. All of this is actually very well documented, and you can find it on the website, but I want to show you a couple of them in particular. First, level bounds. If I set this to some relatively low number and then play it, you will see that I can't actually pan past a certain point. This way, the camera stays within your scene no matter what size it is, and you can't go off into infinity. I'm going to set that back. The other thing that's a pretty cool feature is zoom levels. We have a thing so that the camera actually zooms out, or it could zoom out if you wish. It could go faster as you get further away. And you can control that here so that when the camera is a distance of 20 from whatever it's pointing at, it's going to be moving at a speed of 20, and when it's at 25, speed is 25, and so on. And you can add other zoom levels, and then there's events for every time you hit that level. So for example, if you want something to change colors or get faded or have a fog effect when you zoom out all the way, this is how to do it. We have general Unity events up here. They're very, very easy to work with. I'm going to show you an example from our example scripts right now. I'm going to add some text. Just put this in the top right corner, and I'm going to add zoom listener. And zoom listener is a super simple script, and every time you zoom in or out, it's going to have a number, and that number is going to go up or down. And then, now that I have my zoom listener in DangerCamera, we can go to on zoom, new event, drag the text that has the zoom listener onto this, function zoom listener on zoom. And now when we play, you can see there's a number up here, and every time I zoom in or out, that number starts increasing. That's actually a pretty useless feature, but you get the idea that it could be something much more practical to attach to the zoom script. This is just to show you how simple it is. And that's about it. It's a very, very powerful camera. It's extremely easy to set up. If you have any further questions, please check out the documentation. You can also send me an email at subalterngames@gmail.com, or you can tweet at Subaltern Games. Thanks, have a good day.